welcome you all to the YouTube channel Now Dilhan Lakpriya. From this video, you are going to learn about the area. වර්ගඵලය පිළිබඳ ඉගෙනීමට සූදානම් වන්නේ. When we consider about area can be calculated in plane figures and in solids. In solids, we can calculate the surface area. In plane figures, we can calculate the area. Then, the normal or else the origin of these plane figures is the rectangle and the square. First of all, we'll go through what are the examples that we can take from the area of a rectangle and area of a square. Rectangle. Specification of the rectangle is the either sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal. Then we can understand that if one side is L, the other side also L. Then if one side is B, the other side also B. Area can be calculated. Total area can be calculated L multiplied by B. L multiplied by B. Then when considering square, area of a square can be calculated. Area of a square can be calculated A into A. Area length into length. Because on a square all the sides are equal. Length into breadth mean A into A. The unit is square units. If it is in centimeters, centimeters squared. If it is in meters, meters squared. The relationship between these units you must learn. It is very carefully while learning these type of lessons. Then we will go through some examples in this lesson area. You want to find the area of a square of length 6 centimeters and breadth 6 centimeters. If one side is 6 centimeters, other sides also equal on a square. Then area can be calculated length into breadth, that means A into A, that means 6 into 6, 36 centimeters squared. Unit is centimeters squared. Then next figure, you have a rectangle given 3 centimeters breadth, length is 5 centimeters. Then area equal length into breadth, length is 5, breadth is 3, 5 into 3, 15 centimeters squared. That is the answer. Then in here you have a figure, that means you can separate this figure into two parts and get the area, right? I am separating like this. You can pause the video and solve the questions before making the question by me, right? You can get an answer. Here this length is 10 minus 2, 8 centimeters. Then here also 8 centimeters. Here to here 10 centimeters. A1, A2. Area equal A1 plus A2. A1 equal 8 into 8 plus A2 equal, this total length is 8 plus 3, 11, length into breadth, 11 into 2, 8 into 8, 64, 11 into 2, 22, total area is 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 86 centimeter squared. Then the fourth question. Here also this figure can be separated into two groups like this. Area equal A1 plus A2. A1 equal 8 plus 2, 10. 10 into 4 plus here to here 12. 12 into 2. 10 into 4, 40. 12 into 2, 24. You can get the answer 64 square centimeters. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 64 centimeters squared. Likewise, we can make the review exercise from the previous lessons. When we calculating the area of some plane figures, up to now we know how to calculate the area of a rectangle, area of a square. Then of course we are learning how to find the area of a triangle. Triangle means having three sides. Triangle consists of three straight lines. By joining three straight lines, we can form a triangle. Then of course triangle has three angles and triangle has three sides. And of course when we consider about this triangle, triangle is a polygon, right? Can you remember the Polygon Song? In the Polygon Song, first polygon is the triangle. Then of course we are learning about the triangles according to the length of the sides, according to magnitude of the angle. Then can you remember, dear students, I have already taught you the triangle song. I am going to specify the triangle song in here. I am going to sing the triangle song. Hello friends, let's sing triangle song. There are three sides in a triangle, there are three angles in a triangle. All sides are equal, equilateral triangle. Two sides are equal, isosceles triangle. No sides are equal, scalene triangle. There are three sides in a triangle, there are three angles in a triangle. If there is an acute angle triangle. If there is an obtuse angle triangle. If there is a right angle triangle. There are three sides in a triangle, there are three angles in a triangle. Let's sing triangle song. I think you got a clear understanding about this triangle according to the length of the sides, according to the magnitude of the angles, right? All the sides are equal, equilateral triangle. Then only two sides are equal. If only two sides are equal, isosceles triangle. Then no sides are equal, none of the sides are not equal, then it is a scalene triangle. Then if we can find a acute angle, all the angles are acute angle, that is an acute angle triangle. Then if we can find an obtuse angle in a triangle, that is an obtuse angle triangle. Then of course if we can find a right angle, it is a right angle triangle. Likewise we can specify the triangles or else categorize the triangles into 6 triangles. Out of them, I have chosen 3 triangles, acute angle triangles, or as an equilateral triangle, then obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle I have already taken for to get the area. Then of course we must learn how to find the base and the perpendicular height of a triangle. Base means normally the latter part, base B. Height, we want to get the perpendicular height in here, perpendicular height H, right? Then we want to find the base is here, perpendicular height, we want to construct an external perpendicular height for this obtuse angle triangle. Then we can construct the perpendicular height like this. Yes, H, perpendicular height. Then here perpendicular height is given already it has the perpendicular height in right angle triangle because it has a right angle. Then base is this part, perpendicular height we can take H. Then we can say that area of a triangle can be get by the using the equation half into base into perpendicular height, half into base into perpendicular height, yes. Then we'll get some examples. Find the area. Yes, area A equal half into base into perpendicular height, half into base is 9, perpendicular height is 6. Then we can cut this 2 and 6. Two into 1, 2 into 3, 9 into 3, 27 square centimeters. Then here area half into base into perpendicular height, half into base is 12, perpendicular height is 8. 12 into 8, we can cut this 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 6, 6 into 8, 48 centimeters squared. Likewise, we can make the questions by using the triangle, and more on simplifications can be done by using the triangle. We'll do some questions related to the area of a triangle. When considering this area of a triangle, find the length x. They have given some dimensions on a triangle and find the value of x. We want to find the value of x. We already know that the area of a triangle is half into base into perpendicular height. That theorem we want to use, that equation we want to use in this questions by finding the value of x. Then dear students, when considering this question, we can specify the base in here and perpendicular here. And of course there is another base and another perpendicular height in here. We can equal the two perpendicular heights by getting two equations to the area of the triangle. We'll see half into x into 10 equal half into x into 10 equal half into 8 into 6. Then we can multiply by 2 and remove the 2's halves. We can remove the 2's by multiplying both the sides by 2. Remove that. Then 10x equal 8 into 6, 48. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. X equal 4.8 centimeters. Likewise, you can get the answer. Find the length of x. Here also you want to find the length of x, and here also we want to consider what is base, what is perpendicular height. What is base, what is perpendicular height. Base is 8 centimeters, perpendicular height is 4.5 centimeters. Right? Half into 8 into 4.5 equal half into x into 12. Then half to half can be cancelled by multiplying 2 by both sides. Then 8 into 4.5 we can obtain 8 into 4.5 equal 12x. 4 into 3, 4 into 2, yes, 2 into 4.5 divided by 3 is 2 into 4.5, 9, 9 divided by 3, value can be get 2 into 4.5, 9. 9 divided by 3, we can get the answer for x, that is 3 centimeters. Find the area. Here the special thing can be seen in this question. You can see the symmetrical axis on this question. Then it is easy to convert one side and multiply it by 2 to find the area. Then we can get the area, dear students. Area equal A1 plus A2. A1 we can get like this here, A2 we can get here. Then A1 half into base is 6 plus here 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 into 6 plus 6, 12. 12 into 18 here. Here to here 18. Here to here 9. Here to here 9. Then altogether 18. Then 9. Plus A2, 9 into 6. 2 and 12 are cut. 6 into 9. 54. 9 into 6 can be obtained. Then the total area equal 108 into 2, 216 centimeters squared. Then here we can divide this figure into two parts and we can get A1, A2. Area equal A1 plus A2. A1 can be get 8 into 14 plus A2, 14 minus 22, you can get the value for here. 22 minus 14, 12 minus 4, 8, half into 8 into 8. 8 into 4, 8 into 4, 32, 3 is remaining. 8 into 1, 8 plus 112 plus here 1, here 4. 4 into 8, 32. Then we can get a value 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 144 centimeters squared. 144 centimeters squared. Likewise, we can solve the questions related to the area of the triangle, area of the rectangle, area of the square. I think you got a clear understanding about this area lesson. More videos will be coming in the future related to area. This is related to the government syllabus in your schools. We'll meet from another video. Thank you very much. Take care and goodbye.